What's up everyone? Welcome back to day 9 of the holiday giveaway series. Today we have an awesome pack from Cerakote to be giving away. But first, let's go ahead and get into 2 days ago, the giveaway was for the Adams Mini Air Cannon and 2 drying towels. And the winner of that, there was 892 comments on that video. I said you had to comment on that video and then also comment on the video where I reviewed this and also my best drying towel video. The winner, after I did the random number generator from Google, was number 78, A Shadow Sniper. Now I went across the other videos and made sure that you commented there as well, and you did, so officially you are the winner. Congratulations. I'll reach out to you on the comments, get your shipping information, we'll get it out to you. All right guys, now on top of that giveaway that we just announced, don't forget you still have an opportunity to win yesterday's giveaway, which was the wheel and tire care package. So you get the barrel blade from Auto Fiber, which is incredible. I love that tool. You also get a bottle of BDC brake dust cleaner from Carglaw, and also AquaShine, the sprayable tire dressing that I use every day in my professional detailing business from Carglaw as well. So don't forget to go check out that video. Make sure you're entered in that one to win. And a big disclaimer, as always guys, on these giveaways, there are scammers in the comments. They'll comment and say that you won. You didn't win unless I reach out to you specifically with my name only. A lot of them will have my picture, but it'll say text me at Telegram or something like that. It's not me. I announce the winners on camera and then I'll reach out to you directly. So that's how you know you win. Now moving on guys, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, go over there and give me a follow on there as well. If you don't have Instagram, no big deal, I get it, not everyone wants that. But if you do, go give me a follow. Now let's get into today's giveaway. Like I said, it is from Cerakote. Cerakote is a fantastic brand of ceramic infused products. Their Trim Coat is one of my absolute favorite products from them. It's one of my top trim restoration products that I've ever used. I did a whole review on those as well, testing out a bunch of different ones. Them and Cerakote Trim were my favorites, but Cerakote was a better value in the fact that you get 10 wipes in their kit right here. So you get 10 wipes, fantastic value, and it's super easy to apply. The only thing you want to do just to get the best result is to make sure that everything is dry. If it reacts with water, you can get some streaking, but that's common across all of them. So just make sure everything's dry before you apply it. This stuff is phenomenal. Highly, highly, highly recommend it. Now for this kit, you obviously get ceramic trim coat. You're also going to get a ceramic headlight restoration kit, which is fantastic as well. It seems like, you know, even if your car doesn't have oxidized headlights now, either someone you know or your car will eventually. It seems like it goes on all of them nowadays. They're using softer plastics or something on the headlights. I don't know, but it's very, very common. So great product there as well. Next up is you have Rapid Ceramic from Cerakote. This is their paint sealant spray-on. Now I did a review of this. Works phenomenal. The first review I did, guys, I had some weird reaction, but it was my fault. I used a muscle milk and the protein laid on top. So the water reaction was reacting to the protein in the muscle milk and not the actual coating anymore. Redid the whole test, tested it against some others, and it works phenomenal. Also, the reason I like this stuff so much is the gloss enhancement capabilities of this product are completely visible and actually work really, really well. You always hear, you know, gloss enhancement from different products, and I've always kind of been like, nah, I don't know. This product, I did the whole test on a black panel. It is amazing. I'm actually very, very surprised the depth of darkness, especially on a black panel, filled in some of the imperfections, made it really dark and crisp. Really, really great product. And last but not least, this is a product that I have not tried yet, and I will be trying, and I'm very excited to, but this is their ceramic glass coat. We're in the winter months now, it's raining, San Diego's not so bad, but we've been getting some rain. But this is a fantastic product that I'm gonna apply to my windshield. Obviously, it's gonna help the water bead off. It's one of those things where the raindrops can land on your windshield, and as you're driving, they're just gonna blow off because of the ceramic that's applied to the windshield, so you don't even have to use your wipers as much. Again, very excited to try this out, and it is included in your kit. So these 4 items here, guys, again, headlight restoration kit, ceramic trim coat from Cerakote, rapid ceramic paint sealant, and ceramic glass coat windshield kit. So fantastic giveaway here. Now to win this giveaway, very, very simple. Just comment on this video and then comment on one more, and that will be the rapid ceramic paint sealant review that I did. So make sure to go comment on those. I want you guys to be able to see the actual gloss enhancement that this product really does provide. It's phenomenal. So go comment on this video and that video, and you'll be entered to win. We'll be announcing the winner from this video 48 hours, so that'll be on Monday. So good luck to all of you. So I hope that video helps you guys. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.